In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Logitech M240 mouse with your Mac or PC computer. So let's get started right away. Step number one, well, there's two ways on how you can do this. If you open the small lid over here, there's a good chance that you're going to find a USB dongle. This is how it looks. Usually it sits right over there. You can connect your mouse simply by taking it out, plugging it inside in any ports, and automatically the mouse will work and you'll be done. But you can also not use the USB dongle. You can leave it there and you can connect using Bluetooth instead. So make sure you have a battery inserted. You're going to turn on the mouse, okay, over here. This is the switch. Turn it towards the right side until it's green. And then we need to keep press this button above until the white light blinks quickly. So let me do it. I'm pressing on it. All right, it blinks quite quickly. I can release the button. And I don't know if you see on my PC, it has automatically detected that a mouse wants to connect. Now imagine this didn't appear because maybe on your computer it's not there. Well, all you have to do is to go into the Bluetooth settings of your PC or Mac computer. On a PC, okay, you simply have to go down below on the lower right side. Click on the arrow if you don't see the Bluetooth icon. Click on the Bluetooth icon and select Add Bluetooth Device. And then select Add Device on the top of the screen. Select Bluetooth, it's the first option. And your Logitech mouse will appear. Click on it, it's now connecting. You don't need to download any drivers. On a Mac computer, simply go into the Bluetooth settings the same way, and usually there will be a list on the right side. At the end of the list, all the Bluetooth devices that are not connected will be there. You simply have to click. So here we go, it's connected. I mean, I can simply start using the mouse, and as you see, it's working. And what I like about this mouse is that it's silent, so you barely hear the clicks. You won't bother anyone around you. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.